Chad, I don't want to come out. Chad, I don't want to come out.
Dogie5 super chatted $1.99. Snake, 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 snake. Alejandra Mora 1487 super chatted $1.99. Doja Cat.
Chad, you promise me you're not gonna laugh at me if I show you what I look like? You promise me! Promise! Chat, you promise you're not going to? Chat, you promise you're not going to laugh? Chat, you promise? Promise you're not going to laugh at me? Chat, promise. Promise right now you won't laugh at me, chat. Promise. Promise that you're not going to call me Doja Cat. Promise you're not going to call me Egg. And promise that you're not going to call me Mr. Clean. Chat, promise! Promise me right now, chat. Promise. Everybody, do you promise? I'm doing a poll. Do you promise? Chat, do you promise? Promise? You won't laugh at me, chat? Okay, good. Also, chat, do you promise? You're going to come to more of my streams, chat. Right? You're not just going to stop watching my streams. Right? You're going to come to all my streams, chat. I stream every day, chat. Right? Come to more, right, chat? Don't call me Caillou, please, chat. Don't call me Voldemort, chat, please. Oh, no. 7 missed calls from mom. Okay, we're going to just turn my phone off for now. Okay, chat. All right, we're going to do the outro song. I'm going to lift it up, okay, chat? Please don't screenshot and make fun of it, chat. Please. Please don't make fun, chat. Please. Chat, I'm really self-conscious what I look like now, chat. All right. I can't believe I've done this. My mom's going to kill me, chat. My mom's going to kill me. She's going to kill me, chat. Don't laugh. Taking it off. In 20, 19, 18, 17, 16.
Kid Jason Music super chatted $2. Lamaric.
Please, chat. Please come to more of my streams! Make this worth it, please! Don't forget, I'm not the stream. Wait, chat. Creecraft's calling. Creecraft. Chat, I cut my eyebrow. I'm sorry. Wait, chat, I'm gonna reveal.
What's up?
Hey, man.
Yo, how you doing?
I gotta show you something, man.
What you gotta show me?
I gotta show you something crazy, man. It's really
Okay.
crazy, man.
What is it?
You'll see.
Heath Londine super
Ready?
What? Oh my god. Bro,
What?
bro, what?
What?
What did you do?
What do you mean, what did I do?
Dude, your nose got like 2 times bigger.
No, it didn't. Dude, I shaved my eyebrows, you idiot.
That's 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 freaking terrifying. That's so terrifying. That is so scary. Bro, stop looking at me. That is scary.
Alejandra Mora 1,487
You look like a
super
skinwalker.
chatted $1.99.
You look like Slender Man's
Mr. Clean, Mr.
kid.
I'm gonna come to your house tonight, Creek. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wake you up in the middle of the night, Creek. I'm gonna get you.
That's that, bro. What is your mom going to say? Remember the last time you did this?
We don't need to talk about my mom right now. She doesn't know, and she's not gonna find out.
You look like the public domain horror movie villain of Mr. Clean.
Public domain.
Like if Mr. Clean went public domain and they made one of those cheap horror movies about him, like they did with Winnie the Pooh
Bro,
and Mickey Mouse,
bro.
it looked like you.
Dude, I don't look, bro, chat.